Are you excited to go to the party?
Yes. I'm very excited about the party.
Do you think we should bring something with us?
Yes. I think we should bring a gift for something.
What would be good to bring?
What about bringing flour?
But the flower shop is so far away. Can you think of something else?
What if we bring some chips?
Someone else will be bringing chips. Can you think of something else?
What about bringing food?
Well, we don't have to bring food, because there's going to be a buffer at the party.
What about bring my CD collection?
Bringing your CD collection is a good idea, but they're going to have a DJ at the party.
What about bringing some playing cards?
You don't have to bring playing cards, because there's going to be a mini casino at the party.
Really? There is going to be a mini casino at the party?
Really? It's true. I'm not kidding. Can you think of something else?
There's only one thing the party does not have.
What's that?
The party does not have us. Let's just bring ourselves.
Yeah! Thank you for watching channel Dance Ryan. Please subscribe, like and share.